is the best location in the entire community. Now, homes of this caliber in a location like this, in this price point, do not come up often. We just finished a large renovation in here from floor to ceiling. I love the open concept layout with the knockdown ceiling with the pot lights and a beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor. The kitchen has been recently renovated with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and this sides onto your main floor washer and dryer. Now this breakfast nook backs onto a gorgeous deck in literally the best location in the whole community. That walking path goes to 2 playgrounds and a basketball court. Now upstairs has 3 really good sized bedrooms. This secondary bedroom backs onto the backyard and a green space, and a gorgeous master bedroom with the bay window. Incredible, incredible location. Now these bedrooms share a full bathroom here, also with the granite countertops, ton of natural light. Now this basement has been recently finished as well, with the same finishings as upstairs. Beautiful bedroom, and of course a living area and a second full bathroom down here. Now a few other features in here: it's got a newer roof, it's got a high efficiency furnace, and best of all the poly B plumbing has been removed. If you guys are a growing family, you want a location next to the playgrounds and the park, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.